Hey guys, welcome to the short guide on how to export a sample from the trial version of NewTone. So we're here in FL Studio, as you can see, and we have our piece of audio that we want to edit. Let's listen to it. Really cool. So now we'll apply NewTone. Where is it? Where's NewTone? There it is. And yeah, let's pull it into NewTone. And let's edit it randomly. What does it sound like? Perfect. And now we'll just open up Edison, hit record, play. Perfect. Stop the recording, hit this button, and there we have it. Our sample. Let's listen to it. Perfect. And this is how you can avoid buying NewTone. Yeah. And that's it basically.